Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have an interesting functional equations, which is f of x plus 1 equals 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. So here is a quadratic function as we want to find the f of x because the initial domain here is x plus 1. And how can we get f of x? So it's very simple. So what to do here is we consider from the left hand side. So we are going to express it. So here we have f of x plus 1 equals, so for every quadratic here, since we have 2x squared, so we have to multiply this 2 by 9 as we get 18. And for every 18 we have here, so we are going to look for two values, that the sum will be 9 and the product will be 18. So when we think of that number, so it's going to be 3 and 6, because 3 plus 6 is 9, and 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18, because we already multiplied these 2 by 9. So then we write the middle term here as 6x plus 3x. So here we have 2x squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 9. Then so we continue by writing f of x plus 1 equals, so let's try to combine this together. So we have it as 2x squared plus 6x. So we put this in parentheses plus open bracket 3x plus 9, and we also put this in parentheses. So we further by writing this as f of x plus 1 equals, so what you can factor out here is 2x, as we have 2x into bracket of, when we divide both sides by 2x, so we are left with x plus, and we divide this one by 2x, we are left with 3 plus, also what is common here is 3. So by factoring it out, we have x plus 3. So getting to this stage, so both of them they have common factor, which is x plus 3. So we have to take one and combine their coefficient together. So we have f of x plus 1 equals, so when we write this as 2x plus, so we combine it with 3 in parentheses, open bracket, then we place this x plus 3. So remember, we can take any of these, so we get the same result. So what this is telling us is the factor of this one is the quadratic equation that we have above. So we factor it, and here is what we get here. So when we proceed, we need f of x. So what I'm going to do here is so to achieve that, we are going to make sure that all what we have here is resemble what we have here. So to do that, let's write this as 2x plus 2 first. So while writing this, we put this in parentheses as this comes with plus 1. So the whole of this one is still the same thing as what we have here, and also in parentheses for this, which is x plus, so since we need 1, so we have to write this as x plus 1 in bracket, then plus 1, and all this in parentheses. So we further by taking out 2 from here. When we take out 2, so we divide this one by 2, we have x plus, also this is 1, so plus 1 again, which is this, all this in parentheses into bracket also. So while for this we have x plus 1 in bracket. So having this thing of this at this step, so we know that all of these are equals to f of x plus 1. So this is where we come. We know that all these domain, the domain we have in this function, so we now have something that we can replace with it, as we know that The question says find f of x. So for every x and x plus 1 here, both are members of real number. So therefore, we have to replace this x plus 1 with x, as we have this. Anywhere we see x plus 1, we replace it with x. So we have 2 multiplied by x plus 1 into bracket of x plus 1. So this is where we come. Let's try to take this thing out. We have to expand this. So 2x multiplied by x, we get 2x squared plus 2x multiplied by 1, we get 2x plus 1 multiplied by x, that is x plus, then 1 multiplied by 1, we get 1. So we have f of x equals 2x squared plus, so 2x plus x, that is 3x plus, and here is 1. So this is how we solve this problem as a functional equation. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share it, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning.